Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting announcement from ICE Open Network. Get ready for the Sunwaves Airdrop 2024, the fusion of AI and crypto. ICE Open Network, or ION, is thrilled to introduce the official launch of the first project within the ION ecosystem, the SW token by Sunwaves Festival. Let's dive right in and see what this is all about. Founded in 2007, Sunwaves Festival has grown into a global electronic music sensation, attracting 150,000 participants per edition. Renowned for its authentic vibes and close-knit community, Sunwaves offers an unparalleled festival experience. If you're an electronic music lover, this is the place to be. The SW token leverages ION's innovative tap-to-mine technology to reach and engage a global audience. But now, Sunwaves is taking it to the next level with the SW token. By mining and participating in the app, community members can earn and distribute SW tokens seamlessly. This groundbreaking approach not only democratizes the mining process but also integrates perfectly with the vibrant Sunwaves community. Ready to join the revolution? Here's how you can start mining SW tokens today. First, download the app. Choose your desired method to download the app. Make sure you copy the referral code for additional benefits. Next, register with your active email address. Then, enter referral code, Lanka Crypto. This code will help you earn bonuses continuously. Pick your username and you're almost there. Finally, claim your SW. Click on the central icon at the bottom of the app to claim SW once every 24 hours. So, why should you participate? Exclusive rewards. Earn SW tokens effortlessly by participating in the app. Community engagement. Be part of a global community that shares your passion for electronic music and cutting-edge technology. Innovative mining. Experience ION's tap-to-mine technology, making mining accessible and user-friendly. The Sunwaves Airdrop 2024 is more than just an event. It's a revolution in festival entertainment powered by AI and crypto. Join us today and be part of a global movement that celebrates music, community, and innovation. Download the app, register with your email, use the referral code, Lanka Crypto, and start mining your SW tokens now. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to be part of the future of festival entertainment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates. Goodbye.